wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna set up in here so I can either move my arms or do some squats or something. So I got my little weights and my yoga pad. Fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, April Lifestyle. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and share. Thank you. All right, guys, I think it's like, what, 2 o'clock or so, a little after 2. I'm getting ready to walk Chewy, but first I want to stop my refrigerator from the drinks that I have in the garage. I have like some ginger ales that I just want to put in the refrigerator inside. And I also wanted to show you, so I'll show you that, and I'm also charging some of the lights, the under cabinet lights. I'll show you that as well. But I'm just chilling today, not doing much. Yes. So here's the drinks that I'm gonna put in the refrigerator here. My ginger ale and my Gatorades. I did clean out the refrigerator. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that in this vlog. Oh yeah, I did get some kombuchas. Oh my God, the one that I had yesterday was so good. It was something lemonade. I gotta find the bottle because that was like so good. But yeah, and then I have these. I really shouldn't be getting these, but they used to have this size in the ginger ale flavors. They weren't these flavors. They were a different flavor, but they were ginger ales. They had the original, and then they had like other flavors. But I cannot, well, I guess they discontinued it. I guess it was like a limited edition or something. I'm not sure, because they don't have them anymore. And then I saw these cute little cans here. I only have the orange ones left, but they normally come in like a lime color flavor, and oh my God, what was the other one? Like a strawberry flavor, and those are all gone. And I think I drank all the lime flavor ones because I love those. But of course, I shouldn't be drinking these sodas, but if I'm gonna drink a soda, trust me, I'm gonna pick an orange or a grape every time. It never fails. Or maybe a strawberry, but yeah, so I'm just gonna put these in here for now. I really need to order the little dispenser that I've been seeing on Amazon. But actually this one's my favorite. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. So yeah, I did a really good deep clean to the refrigerator. That's my leftover chili. I need to get some containers so when I cook and want to store my food, I don't have to put the pots in there, because that's like so ghetto. But yeah, I'm just gonna put these in. Yeah, so this is my drink rack. But, yeah, I think I should order the little dispenser. Be much easier, but yep, so that's my drink section. I just wanted to put that in there. I really want to order some of the poppy drinks that they've been, I guess they say it's for digestion, but I don't know. I haven't tried that yet, but I do want to try it. So I don't know if I'll order it from Amazon or go to Trader Joe's or whatever and get that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And I'm also charging actually they're done charging. Hold on. My cabinet lights for under my cabinet. I have one connected to that chair. The other one connected over here. So let me just put this where it goes. I'm like charging everything today. The ring lights, everything. So put that. It goes this way. The other one goes under here. You have it. Cute. Okay. So, yeah, and these are the ones that I got from Amazon, if you want to know. So, yeah. So I think it's a nice day. I think I'm just gonna walk Chewy and then I'll come back inside and watch some more YouTube. Because I don't feel like cleaning today, so I'm not gonna do that. Comfortable in my skin, cozy with who I am. Comfortable in my skin. Cozy. Comfortable in my skin, cozy with who I am. Comfortable in my skin, cozy. Comfortable in my skin, feet up above your sins. I love myself, I am cozy. Cozy. Been down, been up, been broke down, bounce back. Been off, been on, been back. What you know about that? Been the light, been dark, been the truth, been that kinky energy. I've been thick, been fine, still a 10, still here, that's all me. Am I not a burning mother that comes from the words that you say? Yeah. Dancing in the mirror, kiss myself because I love what we made. Yeah. She's a god, she's a hero, she'll survive. Now she been through, but again, and she lead through. Like my suggestional with my sis, 'cause she comfortable in my skin, cozy with who I am. Comfortable in my skin, cozy. Comfortable in my skin, feet up above your sins. I love myself, I am cozy. So work from home today. I want to show you guys what I'm gonna set up in here so I can either move my arms or do some squats or something. So I got my little weights and my yoga mat. I'm gonna set that up. Let me set it up right here. Here's my mat. I think I got it from Dick's. It was an outlet somewhere? I don't know. But I haven't even used it yet. So I'm gonna set this up. That way I can do some squats or something and then I can walk Chewy if it starts raining. She is not gonna let me rest. until I walk out. Stick. Might need to vacuum it because I don't know what this white stuff is on it. So I got my 25-pound weight, and this one is a 30. So I can do my RDLs with this, and my 10-pound dumbbells. So yeah. That's my little setup. Might have to vacuum up because I don't know what that white stuff is all over the place. Maybe it came from the paper. And there's Chewy. You ready to walk? Wanna walk outside? Let's go. Come on. It's raining, Chewy. It's raining. We got the lawn man at the front door. Yeah, it's raining. So you got the lawn man at the front door, Chewy. And it's soaking wet in the backyard.